good people, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Christina Chanya Lenjo, and here I talk about psychosocial issues and the impact on our mental health. Before I proceed, please subscribe to my YouTube channel and hit the notifications button. And at the end of this video, please like it and share it with others so they can learn a thing or two. Today, I'll be talking about the impact of this pandemic on our mental health. The third wave of COVID-19 is here with us, and it's come with a lot of feelings of anxiety. People are panicking because there's so many people who are getting infected, they're having severe disease, others are dying. It's not really a good situation. We also have the vaccine that arrived into the country the other day, and we're still having a lot of questions about its safety and efficacy. Now, that said, the pandemic itself triggered mental illnesses or mental disorders, and it also worsened some mental health conditions in others. So, what can we do to protect us from getting mentally ill? What are the symptoms we need to watch out for? Watch out for depressive and anxiety symptoms. And here I'm talking about experiencing low mood more often than not, having trouble sleeping or sleeping too much, having changes in appetite, so you have loss of appetite or you're eating too much, feeling helpless, feeling hopeless, feeling worthless, um, and also feeling on edge at all times, feeling like there's impending doom, feeling out of control, overwhelmed, feeling stressed out, unsettled, experiencing paranoia, experiencing suicidal thoughts, and even making plans to execute suicide. These are some of the symptoms we need to watch out for because they tell us that we are not really doing so well mentally. So what can we do to ensure that we remain sane during this pandemic? What can we do to build our mental resilience? Three key things we need to take care of: our actions, our behaviors, and our thoughts. So we need to appreciate one thing, that we have no control over this thing because all these factors are external to us. So we need to focus on what we can control. What are some of these resources that we have? Yeah. Number one, we need to stay connected. Reach out to your family and friends. When you reach out and you interact with people, it gives us a sense of acceptance, a sense of belonging, and a sense of community. And this actually enhances our sense of well-being. I want to emphasize on the importance of a strong social support system, which is very key in our mental health management. And here I'm talking about surrounding yourself with people who add value to your life, people who exude positivity, people you can turn to when you're in trouble, people you can confide in if you feel overwhelmed or you feel you're troubled in one way or another, people who will be there for you. Stay with those people. Another thing is I want to emphasize on is the importance of self-care, both physically and mentally. So physical health care: sleep adequately, eat healthy, avoid junking, avoid binging, exercise a lot, stay hydrated. Remember, when you embrace a positive lifestyle modification thing, then you are able to actually boost your immune system and you'll be able to fight off the viruses or the viral infections that could, that you could get infected with. On the psychological bit, watch out your psychological diet. We're experiencing a lot of information. We're experiencing an infodemic in the midst of this pandemic. So what are you consuming? If the information you're consuming is upsetting you, if it's overwhelming you, stop it. Only use information from trusted sources and limit the amount of time you spend consuming that information. Stay positive, stay optimistic. What is the quality of your thoughts? What are you telling yourself? Are you flooding your mind with negative thoughts? So what do you do with that? If you're experiencing negative thoughts, flip them over and challenge them with more positive thoughts that will make you feel better. For example, if you feel that, or if you're thinking, I'll get sick with COVID, I'll get totally sick, I'll be unable to move, probably I'll die. Flip that over and tell yourself, I have a robust immune system. I will fight off this virus. I will emerge healthy. I will move on with my life. I will achieve my goals. If you feel that the pandemic is going to last forever, tell yourself, this thing is only temporary. It shall come to pass. Not all aspects of my life have been affected, and so I still have control over certain aspects of my life. Embrace an attitude of gratitude. What are the 3 things you're grateful for? Write them down at the end of each day. I am breathing. I have a lovely job. Yeah, I'm healthy. I have a family. Those are things that you're grateful for. Embrace that. Also appreciate the beauty of the things around you. Look at the sun. Appreciate its beauty. Look at the flowers around you. Appreciate the beauty. Yeah? Look at the food you're eating, the aroma. Taste that food. Savor that moment. Just experience that pleasure that comes with appreciating the beauty around things that are around you. Now, when you feel anxious, which is most likely to happen once in a while, engage in things that will keep you calm. So meditate, pray. You can also journal. You can also distract yourself with things that will help you to feel good, You can cook yourself a very nice meal or enjoy ice cream or even engage in an activity such as knitting or something that will just help you to remain calm. And also practice deep breathing exercises when you feel that you're anxious and overwhelmed. Now, also engage in things or activities that give you a sense of purpose. What are some of these things that give you a sense of meaning and achievement? Do you want to go back to school? Do that. Do you want to learn a new skill? Do that. Yeah? Read a book, that book that you've always wanted to read. Read it and complete it. Yeah? So if you want to learn a new musical instrument, do that. Yeah? Something that gives you a sense of purpose. And remember to establish a routine, because a routine will give you a sense of safety and a sense of control. Remember, always observe the Ministry of Health guidelines, which is sanitize, maintain your social distance, wear your mask properly. And when you feel unwell, please go to hospital before symptoms get worse. When you do all this, you'll get a sense of safety and a sense of, just psychological stability. So remember, anything that gives you a general sense of well-being will also help in building your mental health. Your mental resilience. Therefore, let's take care of our mental health and remember that mental health is everything. So thank you for watching and cheers.